Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your city and state on the Strava app. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once it's loaded up, take a look at the top of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is typically located in the upper corner and represents your personal account settings. Go ahead and tap on that icon to access your profile. After tapping your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page where you can view your activity stats, achievements, and personal information. Right under your profile picture and name, you'll notice an option that says Edit. This is what allows you to modify your account details. Tap on Edit to proceed to the settings area where you can make changes to your profile information. Once you're in the Edit section, scroll through the available fields until you see the options for city and states. These fields display your current location information that appears on your Strava profile. This is useful because it helps you connect with local athletes and shows where you're based when you share activities with the community. Now tap on the city field first. This will activate the text input area where you can type in your new city name. Go ahead and enter the city you want to display on your profile. Make sure you spell it correctly so other users can find you if they're searching for athletes in your area. Next, do the same thing for the states field. Tap on it to activate the input area and type in your new state. This ensures that both your city and state information are updated together, keeping your profile location accurate and consistent. Once you've finished entering both your new city and state, look for the Done button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Done to save all the changes you just made. Your new location information will now be updated on your Strava profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your city and state on the Strava app, and your profile now reflects your updated location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.